Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'm going to show you how to install a hard disk in your gaming laptop. So the first thing you are going to need to do is remove all these screws from the bottom panel of the laptop. When you are removing these screws, please make sure that you have the right size screwdriver to not risk stripping the screw head, making it more difficult to put the screws back when you are finished. It is recommended that you have some kind of prying tool. You do not want to risk breaking the latches on the inside of the laptop. While you are prying, move the tool slowly around the outside of the bottom casing, ensuring that you release every latch. Once you get the bottom casing off of the laptop, look for a designated compartment that looks something like this. Now this is where we install the hard drive. You should have the adapter that looks like this. It should have came in the box with your laptop. Now connect the adapter to the hard drive. Lay the hard drive in the compartment with the adapter facing forward. You should see a slot that connects the adapter to the motherboard. Now get the screws that came in the small bag with your adapter. Slowly install the screws in the side of the compartment that is lined up with the screw holes in the hard drive. Now install the other two screws. You may have to remove the hard drive compartment screws. In this case, I didn't need to. Now, go ahead and plug the other end of the hard drive adapter into the slot on the motherboard. Make sure that the blue side is facing up or it will not work. Now, put the bottom casing back on the laptop. Make sure that you know which screws go where. I had to make a small map to keep track of screw placement. Also, make sure you press down on all four corners of the laptop casing to snap all the latches back in place. You may have to press down a little harder on the side with the hard drive. The hard drive compartment and laptop casing have small soft strips to ensure the hard drive does not get damaged. Now go ahead and put all the screws back in the laptop casing. Once you have all the screws back in place, go ahead and turn on the laptop. Alright guys, so now go ahead and check in your file explorer. If it worked, it will show up the new drive as D. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I got this hard drive from my old laptop. You can really get an easy storage upgrade if you have an old hard drive laying around not doing anything. I hope this video was also helpful. If it was, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section of this video, and I will gladly help as much as I can. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!